Is BDO Online Banking giving you a headache? First, let's check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or have a strong mobile data signal. Weak internet can often be the culprit. If your internet is fine, try closing the BDO Digital Banking app completely and reopening it. This can refresh the app and resolve minor glitches. Next, confirm you're using the latest version of the BDO Digital Banking app. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for BDO Digital Banking and update if there's a new version available. Ensure you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for typos or accidental capitalization. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option. Clear the app's cache. Go to your phone settings, find the BDO Digital Banking app, and clear the cache. Note that clearing data will reset the app, so only clear cache. This can remove temporary files that might be causing errors. Sometimes, the BDO servers might be temporarily down for maintenance. Visit the BDO Unibank official website or social media pages to check for any announcements regarding system maintenance. If you've tried everything and the issue persists, contact BDO customer support directly. They can provide personalized assistance for your specific account and error.